Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariq Abid Bhatti from class BSCS 2K17, Sindh University campus Larkana. I am here for present my presentation about visual programming. Course outline: Introduction to Visual Studio, what is thread, client and servers, what is DLL file, principles of OOP. Introduction to Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment (IDE) developed by Microsoft to develop GUI graphics user interface, console web applications, web apps, mobile apps, cloud and web servers, etc. With the help of the IDE, you can create managed code as well as native code. It used various platforms of Microsoft software development software like Windows Stories, Microsoft Clever Lights and Windows API etc. It is not a language specific IDE, or you can use this to write code in C, HTML, C++, VB, Visual Basic, Python, JavaScript and many more languages. It improves support for 36 different programming languages. It is able for Windows as well for macOS. Evaluations of Visual Studio. Evaluation of Visual Studio. The first version of VS Visual Studio was released in 197, named as Visual Studio 97, having version number 5.0. The latest version of Visual Studio is 15.0, which is released on March 7, 2017. It is also termed as Visual Studio 2017. The supported net framework version in the latest Visual Studio is 3.5 to 4.7. Java was supported in the old version of Visual Studio, but in the latest version doesn't provide any support for Java language. What is thread? In computer science, a thread is the smallest unit of processing. Date can be scheduled by an operating system. It generally reserves for the fork of the computer program. The implementation of threads and products differs from one operating system to another, but in most cases a thread is a concept inside the process. Multiple threads can exist within the same process of the share resource, which is memory, while different processes do not share these resources. Consider the example of the word process application MS Word. MS Word is a process and spell checker. Within it is a thread and the memory their share Word document. Thread in C. The thread is an independent streams of instructions in a program. All your C programs up to this point have an entry point. The main method execution starts with the first statement in the main method and continues with the method's return. This program structure is all very well of program, which there is one identifiable sequence of the tasks which the thread class you can create the control threads. Type of threads. There are two types of threads: foreground thread, background thread. The foreground thread The process of the application keep running as long as least one foreground thread is running. Even if method ends, the process of the applications remains activity unity. All foreground threads finish their work. A thread you create this the thread class by the default is a foreground thread. Background thread. When you create a thread with the thread class, you can define whether there should be foreground or background thread by the setting the properly is background. The background threads are very used for background tasks. For example, when you close the work application, it doesn't make sense for the spelling checker to keep it processes running. The spell checking threads can killed when the application is closed background thread. However, the thread organization, the outbook message store should remain the active unit. It is finished even if Outlook is a closed foreground threads. Client and servers. A network articles in which each computer or process on the network is either client or a service server. The clients application that run on the computers really on the servers for files device processing power. Example, email client, an application that enable you to send and receive email. Servers, the computer or processes that manage network resource disk drive. File servers, printer, print server, network traffic network servers. Example, database service. A computer system that process database requests. What is, what is DLL file? Stands for Dynamic Link Library. A dynamic link library DLL is a collection of small programs which can be called upon when needed by the executable program exe that is running. The DLL lets the executable communicate with a specific device, such as a printer, or may contain source code to do particular functions. Example. An example should be if program needs to get the free specific of your hard drive, it can call the DLL find that contacts with the function with the permittular and scale function. The DLL will the tell executable free space that allows the executable to small in size and not have a return to function that already executes. This allows any program the information about the free space without having to write the source code, and it saves the space on your hard drive as well. When DLL is used in the fashion are also known as share files. What are four basic principles of object-oriented programming? There are four major principles that make a language object-oriented. There are encapsulation, data abstraction, polypishim, and iterations. They are also called four pillars of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation is the menacing of the hiding of the data implementation by the restricting access to public method increase visible are kept private, and associate method are the make public to achieve this. For example, we holding the name and drop the attributes of person class in the below code spec. Encapsulation, private instance variable and public associate methods. Abstraction means of concept or an idea which is not associated with any particular instance. Using abstract class interface, we express the intent of the class further than the actual implementation in the way one class should not know the inner details of any other in the order to use it. Just knowing the interfaces should be good enough. Inheritance. Inheritance expresses is A and R has a internship between two objects using the options in the divide the classes. We have reviewed the code of the existing service classes in Java. Concept of the based on class interface using the existence or interfaces implementation using the implements for the example file. Input stream is the input stream data ready for a file. Polymorphism, it means one name many forms. It is a feature of two types, statics and dynamic. Statics polymorphics is the activities using method outlying, and dynamic polymorphism using method overriding in the closely reached to internames. We have a write a code that works on the superclass, and it will be work with any subclass type as well. Thank you.